So today we have the Zealot S85 and this speaker is pretty cool. It's even better than the S76. So that speaker was pretty cool as well, but this one has two things that are better. First off, the design, it's more practical, so you can really place it very well on your surface, but also it has small feet on the rear, so you can even place it up firing. Like with that rounded Zealot speaker, you had a feet, but it was always angled or not very stable. And this one is really rugged, stable on the table. Yes, the design has a bit of a JBL vibe, I have to be honest. But really, the real great thing about this thing is pretty well the audio performance. And it was already a cheap speaker, like around $70, but these days it's even between $50 and $60. And then you have a very solid speaker out here. And one thing that's pretty cool as well on the speaker, and the first audio samples will be with this EQ, is the bass EQ. So if you enable the bass EQ, you have here like a small red light under the EQ, or the green I mean, and then you have a little extra bass performance. And this extra bass performance is, I would say, very good. Don't expect like extreme subwoofer bass performance, but do expect it to go deeper, and you do have more movement also from the passive radiators, but it's still pretty well controlled. You do lose some clarity and treble performance, so it does get a bit more like less on those levels. So the normal EQ is still the best on this speaker, but if you want some extra bass punch, the bass EQ at least doesn't do that much upper bass boost, but more really deep bass mood. So yeah, let's just go to the samples. First we do some bass EQ samples. Let's get started.
To the midnight sky, you only know how much you meant. You only know the time we spent. Take the pain from my heart and make it whole.
The baseline.
I get you, you get me. I get you, you get me. I get you. When you hear my body.